Finding the correlation coefficient. Hello guys, I'm Ash and I'm here to teach you how to find the correlation coefficient between two variables. So here we have an X list and Y list, and I've listed down the variables for, listed down the values for each of the lists. I will start off by telling you the first step, which is to put in all your X values and Y values into the X list and Y list in your calculator. So a tip that is pretty useful is to note down what list number you're using. So in this case, the X list is list 1 and the Y list is list 2. This ensures that you don't make any mistakes while you're performing your calculations. So here's an image on my calculator of what L1 and L2 should look like. The next step is to find the sample mean and sample standard deviation for the X list and Y list. So the sample mean for X is 2.8, sample standard deviation 1.923, and the sample mean for Y is 2.8, and the standard deviation for Y is 2.774. The next step is to find the z-scores for the X list and Y list and add them into list 3 and list 4 respectively, and use the formula. So remember, the formula is z equals to x minus x bar over the standard deviation of x. Likewise, for y, it's z equals y minus y bar over the standard deviation for y. So this is what it looks like inside of my calculator once I found out the z-scores for x and y. Next, we have to multiply zx, which is list 3, and the zy list, which is list 4, together, and we put that result into another list called list 5, which you can see in my calculator image. The last step is to find the sum of zx times zy, or list 5, and then divide that by the sum of n minus 1. So n in this case is the total number of x and y pairs, so L1 and L2 pairs, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have to take the sum of L5, and you get 3.336. And now you find out what R is by doing R equal to 3.336 minus, divided by 5 minus 1, which is 4, which you get a value of 0.834.